In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage pages and menus on Wix. First, open your site in the Wix editor. This is the workspace where you design your pages and control how your site is organized. Once you're inside the editor, look to the left side of the screen for the Pages panel. This panel lists all the pages on your site and gives you a clear overview of what visitors can navigate to. It's also closely tied to your site's menus, so changes here typically reflect in your navigation automatically. To add a new page, click the plus icon labeled Add Page in the Pages panel. You'll see options for a blank page, a template page, or a dynamic page. Choose a blank page if you want full creative control and plan to design everything from scratch. Pick a template page when you want a head start with a layout and styling that you can customize. Select a dynamic page if you're building multiple pages powered by a single design, like profiles or product listings connected to a content collection. Dynamic pages are great for large, repeatable sets of content, but they're still created from right here in the Pages panel, just like any other page. After adding a page, give it a clear name so it's easy to find later, and so visitors know what to expect. That name usually appears in your site's menu and helps with navigation. If you ever need to refine a name, it's simple. Hover over the page title in the Pages panel, click the three dots, and choose Rename. Keep names concise and descriptive. This is helpful for both your visitors and your site's organization. If a page is no longer needed, you can remove it. Hover over the page, click the three dots, and select Delete. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion, which prevents accidental removals. Before confirming, consider whether the page is linked anywhere else on your site or externally. Deleting a page can break links, so it's a good idea to update or remove any references to it. As you add, rename, and delete pages, your site's menus usually update automatically to match the structure in the Pages panel. The order shown here often influences the order in your navigation, and the names you choose are what visitors see in the menu. When you're happy with your changes, remember to publish so your updates go live. Managing pages thoughtfully keeps your site organized, your menus clear, and your visitors moving smoothly from one place to the next.